Ano ang tips kung OIC ka at may mga staff ka na mas matatanda pa at mga pasaway? Walang hindi nakukuha sa mabubuting usapan. So my advice is to sit down with your team and have a conversation leading to an agreement on how you're going to work together. So ang tawag natin dyan, establishing rules of engagement. So sit down with them and ask them, no, ano bang expectation ninyo sa akin bilang leader ninyo? So magpalitan kayo ng expectation. Pwede mong sabihin, ito naman yung aking expectation bilang leader ninyo. And be particular about your willingness. And I hope this is true for you, your willingness to listen to ideas or thoughts. Minsan kasi yung mga mas matatanda pa sa atin, kaya sila nagiging pasaway. Kasi pakiramdam nila, hindi naman sila pinakikinggan. So, why should I listen to you if you're not listening to me, di ba?